Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a page or pages inside of Bluebeam. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now, in saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up that project or PDF that you have numerous pages in and you want to delete one or many. So once you've opened up your project PDF, we want to come over to the left hand side. Now we need to look for the option that says thumbnails. So you can see here this is 8 pages and that's in a thumbnail format in the left hand column here. So in order to delete a page, just go ahead and click on the page. Now just go ahead and right click a page to say I don't want page 8, don't need it. I can go ahead and click on page like so, and it's going to say pages page 8 current selected, so I'm going to click on OK, and then down below you can see now we've just got page 7 of 7 because I've deleted that 8th page. Now if you don't see this here, don't worry, we can go ahead and click on Windows and then click on the panels, and now make sure thumbnails is enabled, or you can go ahead and click on Alt and T and then you can access this panel.